Are you a grant writing beginner and totally clueless? Well, if you are, welcome. My name is Rodney and I have a wonderful resource designed especially for you. It is the Grant Writers for Beginners and Clueless, where I share 12 things that I wish that I knew about grant writing before I wrote my first grant and what I would do differently now. I want to invite you to this free webinar where I'm going to be sharing with you some information to help you know what you need to do as a beginner. I'm going to also share with you numerous case studies of people that were starting out right where you're at right now that went on to get great success. It will inspire you. I'm going to also share with you those 12 things that grant writing is like that I didn't know, that I wish that I knew, and I'm going to share it with you so that you can start off ahead of the game. So I want to invite you right now, sign up. It's absolutely free, and I look forward to sharing some wonderful information with you, some resources to help you go from zero to grant hero. Sign up now, and I'll see you soon.